In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to contact Jumia support or customer care. So Jumia have made everything more easier for everyone who is actually interested in getting help. Probably you just want to call the support to lodge some complaint. So once you log into Jumia app, you're gonna see call to order. You can see their mobile phone number right here at the top. And this, if this not working for you, the next thing you're gonna do is just look down below. You're gonna see help, so just click on that help while you already log in your Jumia account. So on that help, you're gonna see start live chat at the top right there. So just click on start live chat, then you're gonna be able to match up with one of the Jumia customer support center, where you can actually tell them what exactly issue you actually having on your order or on your account. You can see right here, welcome, how can we help you? Start a conversation with our team of experts now. Then the next thing you're gonna do is just click on new conversation. Then one of their customer support center is gonna message you and ask you what exactly do you want, and then you'll be able to get solution to exactly what issue you're actually having. So that is how you can contact Jumia customer support center.